me as an outstanding coordinator, outstanding radio broadcaster, outstanding trainer, an artist, a joker, a columnist, an advisor, a school leader, a teacher, and a friend to all. Sa katunayan po, hindi po kasya yung SIM card and phone book of his. Hindi po kasya yung 19 minutes and 30 seconds. I will just make it short. We were again sent to a regional training of trainers. Sir Paul then was the rank 1 and supposed to be sent to a national training for enhancement training of trainers. But sad to know, he was then overaged. That's why, in place of Sir Paul, I was sent to that enhancement training. And thank you for that, Sir Paul. That paved the way to my 2 months scholarship grant abroad. India. Our experiences in evaluating model barangays na kahit bumabagyo, nandun pa rin kami. Na kahit walang kuryente, this oras ng gabi, say 2 o'clock, andun pa rin ang aming grupo with Madam Claire. Also, hindi ko sinabi ni Chicks, Sir Paul, may I take this opportunity to express my sincerest thanks to all the wonderful memories we shared together. You played a very important role in my personal development. Thank you for rubbing elbows with me. Thank you for the jokes, the stories, the drama, the escapades in our life, and the songs we shared. Before I forget, magaling si Sir Paul na kumanta, alam niyo ba yan? With his favorite song. Ano? What is his favorite song? To all the girls I love before, hindi ko yun. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Pangalawa lang po yun. To all the girls I love before. Kaya lang, pang 1 o'clock lang po yun eh. When everyone's gone. Pang madaling araw. Sir Paul, I want to share you a maxim for you to ponder. Even when high tide recedes, the good shells will remain. Even the music stops, the echo will always linger. Even you may not be among us tomorrow, your footprints in the heart of people, especially your friends, will remain. And I want you to know that we love you very much. And we remain your friends in life and beyond. Congratulations and God bless.